Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. This is going to be another unboxing video, and this time I have got Glossybox, and it's the September box. And this is what it looks like. So as always, if you're new to Glossybox, I say this all the time, but if you're new to Glossybox and you're just interested in seeing the actual contents inside the September box, then I'll add a timestamp down below in the comments so you're free to flick forward. So Glossybox is a monthly beauty box. It costs £10 a box and £3.25 shipping. This is the Glossybox UK. You can opt for a monthly subscription and you can cancel any time, or you can opt for a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription, which brings the cost down a little bit. I do have a 20% off code, which is Claire20, and I'll add it down in the description. So underneath this video, see show more, click that. That'll bring up the description, and all links and everything related to this box and my code will be listed down below. So in every box you get 5 beauty items. Sometimes we have extra freebies, and I believe there is an extra freebie in this month's box. You get a mix of makeup, skincare, hair care, nail care, and like makeup tools like eyeshadow brushes and things like that. Glossybox is one of the cheapest subscription boxes out there, and I've been subscribed for nearly 3 years, so a long time, and I really enjoy it. Yes, some months are better than others, but essentially it's a mystery box, so you are paying £10 to receive a box that you haven't got a clue what's going to be inside, but you just hope for the best. If you've never subscribed to Glossybox and you're thinking about doing it, then I recommend checking out my playlist. I've got a ton of Glossybox unboxings there, so I'll pop that down in the description as well. So yeah, so that might help you decide in whether this subscription is for you or not. But yeah, this box is a PR box, so I'm getting it a little bit earlier than everyone else gets theirs. So I'm gifted boxes from Glossybox in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it. Now I am still subscribed to my subscription, and I took out a 12-month subscription a couple of months ago because it brings down the cost, and it's a subscription I want to keep running. I just think they make beautiful gifts. I do giveaways on my Instagram and my Facebook page. I've got 2 running at the moment. Same name, Diaryofabeautygeek, but also I like to gift boxes to my friends and family, so I think that's something nice to keep going. So yeah, so I think that's it as far as information goes. All details and everything will be listed down below, so let's open it up and see what we got inside this month's box. Oh, before I do, if you're noticing that my face isn't looking the best, I had electrolysis 4 days ago and I'm wearing a ton of makeup, but look, it's all over my face. I'll pop a picture up to show you what it looks like without makeup on, but I did do a video a couple of days ago and I only had eye makeup on. I'm very brave, but I thought now that it's sort of starting to heal, I'll put a little bit of makeup on so not to shock you. So if you're thinking, gosh, why is Claire's face looking a bit rough? That is why. I've had electrolysis to remove sebaceous hyperplasia. There will be a video coming when it's healed. It could be a month or 2, but yeah, I just thought I had to tell you. Anyway, back to this box. You get a little leaflet here, and it tells you everything about the products inside this box, and it also tells you the prices, so I'm able to tot it all up and to tell you the value of the box right at the end. And it gives you a sneak peek for October. And what we've got here, it says, we're celebrating Halloween next month with 2 devilishly good edits filled with heavenly products. Your first sneak peek, a highly pigmented eyeshadow palette by Style London, will either treat you to a set of 9 fiery red and orange shades, or a collection of 9 sweet and soft pink hues. Which one will you receive? Oh wow! So yeah, so everyone's going to get one of those. As we had in last month's box, we've got a little leaflet all about the advent calendar. It says here, your priority access to Buy Then 2019 advent calendar begins on Friday the 6th of September. Subscriber exclusive price is just £70. And it says, purchase the advent calendar through your Glossy account and your subscriber discount will automatically be applied at checkout. It's got obviously 25 products inside, and it's worth over £370. Oh my gosh. So that's what it's like there. Oh my word! We've got loads of stuff in here. We've got loads of stuff in here. Oh my gosh! Look at this. I don't want to tip. We've got a chocolate bar. I can spot a chocolate bar. So this item is a Palmer's coconut oil formula. It's a deep conditioning protein pack for dry, damaged or colour treated hair, and this is a 60-gram pouch there. There you go. I love these type of hair masks. Quick and easy, not messy, rip off the top, slap it on your hair. Plus, I love coconut oil, so anything that contains coconut oil, it's natural, it's so good for your hair, it's so nourishing. So no, I'm really excited to try it, see what it's like. Does it say anything here? Just got lots of ingredients, but what's it say in the booklet then? So to buy this will cost you £2.49. Formulated with raw and natural ingredients, together with keratin and silk proteins, this hair mask calls for a splash of sustainably sourced coconut oil and a sprinkle of Tahitian monoi. Monoi? I can't say these words, I'm sorry. It's the perfect recipe to help hydrate, nourish and give your locks a natural shine. Simply apply it to clean and damaged hair from root to tip, leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes, then rinse. So there's that, that's our first one. Next we got a Cousins Carex Love Hearts Fun Edition Hand Gel, Quick Dry. Oh my gosh, I haven't seen this before. This is 50 mils. So let me have a sniff. I can't open it. How do I open it? I can't do it with these nails. I've got fake nails on, look. My leopard print nails. No, my luck. They'll go ping off my hands. Nope, still can't open it. Oh my gosh. Oh, have done now. I am such a plonker. Oh my gosh. There's no need for that. No need. Look, I just do it that way. Never mind. That's all I want to do is see what it's like and if it does actually smell of Love Hearts. Oh, that's quite strong. That is quite strong. Best not up close to your nose because it's quite, whoo. But no, that is, it smells nice. It just smells so sweet. It looks like sherbety sweets. It does smell like Love Hearts. Oh my gosh, my daughter is obsessed with these things. She's got loads of them and she loves quirky ones like this as well, so I know that she's going to be after this, so I might actually give it to her. But what's it say? Oh, you receive one of two. This one's Love Hearts, or you get strawberry laces. Oh wow, I love strawberry laces as well. It's full size item, a travel handy size, and to buy this it will cost you £1.55. It says these scrumptious cleansing hand gels really do smell good enough to eat. Whichever one you receive, your hand gel will remind you of your favourite childhood sweets. Simply massage a single dose into dry hands to clean and freshen them. So there's that. Next we've got a face powder. It's a banana setting powder by the brand May. Never heard of them before. Never had any products from them or anything. Not that I know of anyway. If I have, let me know down below. You know what my brain is like. It's like a sieve. It's such a bad idea. Putting flipping false nails on before doing an unboxing. I can't open anything. Me and banana powder do not get on, unfortunately. I'm just too pale. Too pale. It just makes me look quite grey and quite weird. But I've only ever tried one make, and I can't remember, is it Bella Pierre? Bella Pierre banana powder? I think that's right. And no, I didn't like it at all. And we had loads of them about a year or two ago in subscription boxes, the Bella Pierre one. But yeah, it just didn't suit me. I think it just looks so much nicer on deeper skin tones. I'll give it a go. I'll see what it is like. But if I don't like it, I'll just pass it on to someone that has got more of a deeper skin tone than myself. You can't see much there. So what's it say here? So this is full size and it will cost you £15. Who knew makeup involved baking? This trendy technique helps to set your makeup and create a smooth finish. Use a beauty sponge to apply your ultra fine mineral based banana powder over the areas you've just concealed. Allow it to sit for 5 minutes, then brush off. The result, a glowing, bright and flawless complexion. You never know, I might actually like this one. But yeah, just from past experience, it's like, but I'll give it a go. So here's our third item. Next we have our sneak peek that we were given last month, and this is by Delicious. It's Hello Beautiful Exfoliate and Glow Original Black Tea Body Scrub, and it says formulated to buff, brighten and deeply nourish skin from head to toe. We've got a 100-gram pouch there. That's what it looks like there. I've never seen this before. I've tried lots of different body scrubs, mainly coffee. Never tried a tea one before. I wonder what the smell would be like as well. But no, 100% natural, vegan and cruelty free. I love this sort of stuff. Makes a heck of a mess in the shower. But yeah, your skin is left really, really lovely and super, super soft. So that's what the coffee scrubs are like. I'm assuming the tea scrub would be pretty similar as well. So this is full size and it'll cost you £7.95. And it says black Assam tea isn't just for your morning cuppa. The refreshing tea leaf also makes a fabulous 100% natural, I can't say this word, Ayurvedic body exfoliator. Oh gosh, AYURVEDIC body exfoliator filled with antioxidants and essential oils. This caffeine-based scrub buffs away dry cells and quenches thirsty skin. Better still, it has a gorgeous sweet almond and orange scent. Irresistible. Oh, I'm gonna have to open it up and smell it. The smell, you can smell the orange. It's gorgeous. And really strong tea smell as well. Oh, that's really nice. Look at that. Can you see in there? So it looks like inside. So there's our fourth item. There we got a perfume, and this is by Mitchell and Peach, and it's Floral 1 Fine Edition Eau de Parfum. We've got a 15ml here. There. Love the packaging. Very simple, but very smart. I've actually got a big version of this. It's not the Flora #1. I can't remember what it is now, but it smells like cut grass. It is gorgeous. About 2 years ago, I won Glossybox of the Month, and I got a chance to go to London and meet everyone and like build my own glossy box. It's brilliant. I went with Michelle from Lightning Lass on YouTube. If you're curious to see the vlog and what we got up to, I'll pop it down in the description. But yeah, I picked up one of these and oh, it's gorgeous. Really unusual smell, but yeah, to me it smells like cut grass. Flora makes me a bit nervous. I love citrus and floral scents, but I don't like rose. But it doesn't say rose, so I'm hoping it's not rose. Well, that's quite nice. It is really nice. It's not rose at all, which I'm happy about. It smells almost aromatherapy type smell. Like a spa smell, but a really nice perfume. I am useless at describing perfumes. If you've been following my channel for a while, you'll know this. So this is a deluxe mini and it's worth £29.75. To buy the full size 50ml, it would cost you £85. Who would have thought sweet fennel could smell so good? By blending this herb with larkspur and delicate notes of rose, ylang ylang, peony and lavender, Mitchell and Peach have created a gorgeous floral eau de parfum. Better yet, this fragrance is hand blended and filled with pure essential oils that are grown on their estate. Oh my gosh, quite a different smell there. So yeah, so I'm really chuffed with that, and it's a nice size as well. So there's that. I've got 2 items left, including the chocolate that I spotted earlier on. But we've got a Colgate toothpaste, Max White in Charcoal. So this is our added extra that they've popped in to make this box a 6-product box, although we've got chocolate, which I can't wait to try. So this, what is this? What's it say about it? Colgate Max White Charcoal Gentle Mineral Scrubbing, and this is 75ml, so it's a full size. So to buy this, it'll cost you £4, and it says if you like to indulge in scrumptious teeth-staining treats like berries or wine, then you need this whitening toothpaste formulated with activated charcoal and mineral microparticles. It gently removes 100% of surface stains. Use it twice a day for 2 minutes, and you'll have beautiful pearly whites in no time. So my personal feelings are that I don't know, toothpaste are a bit weird in subscription boxes. As it's an added extra, as it's an add-on, I'm really happy. I do love toothpaste, obviously. My teeth aren't the best, so I'm always on the lookout for a nice toothpaste that gives me sort of fresh breath, fresh teeth, cleans them well, and sort of has whitening in them as much as possible. So toothpaste is not something I don't like, but I just don't get excited about receiving it in subscription boxes. As it's an added extra this month, it's fine. I'm quite happy to receive it. So yeah, let me know what you think of toothpaste in subscription boxes. And then we got the chocolate bar. And it doesn't say anything about the chocolate bar in the leaflet that I could find. Godiva Masterpieces Caramel Lion with Belgian Milk Chocolate. Look, that is gorgeous. And I'm going to open it now. That is so nice. Oh my mum. That is gorgeous. So there's no information about that, so that is a freebie. So I'm just going to add them all up and then I'll come back to you. So here are all the products. I can't hold them properly, but the box costs £10. The products all come to around £69–70, so way above the actual cost of the box. We've got 7 items in all. Normally we just get 5, so this The toothpaste is an added extra, and so is the chocolate bar as well. So looking at them all, it's a good mix. I can't wait to try this exfoliator. That sounds and smells absolutely gorgeous. Can't see it, but yeah, that little perfume is lovely. Really, really nice. And yeah, the hair mask, always nice. The only thing that doesn't really take my fancy is the banana setting powder. And that's only because, as I said earlier, I haven't had the best experience of using it. But I will give it a go. I might be surprised. This brand might be better than the Bella Pierre one. But yeah, other than that, I think it's lovely. So as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this month's Glossybox? Do you think it has a great mix of products? Do you think it's good value for money? All your thoughts and opinions, as always, I'd love to know. But yeah, if you enjoyed this unboxing, it'd be lovely if you were to click like, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots of videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.